Welcome to the future of high-tech chicken processing today. Millions of drumsticks roll through these advanced lines daily. This massive facility operates with breathtaking precision and speed. Every single piece enters the sterile washing phase perfectly. Automated rollers ensure each leg is aligned perfectly straight. The stainless steel mist chamber prepares the chicken beautifully. High-pressure mist thoroughly cleans every single piece of chicken. Pure water droplets guarantee the highest level of hygiene. A beautiful waterfall of pure water washes them completely. Powerful industrial fans quickly blast away all excess moisture. Advanced laser sensors scan the chicken for absolute perfection. Smart robotic cameras analyze the meat quality in milliseconds. Real-time digital heat maps ensure zero defects get through. Lightning-fast sorting arms redirect the meat with perfect accuracy. Robotic arms organize the drumsticks into flawless, even rows. Automated blades make incredibly precise cuts in a flash. Topographical blue lasers measure the exact volume and size. Detailed three-dimensional wireframes map out every single chicken piece. Bright inspection tunnels provide the ultimate visual quality check. These perfectly aligned drumsticks are finally ready for marination. Hundreds of chicken legs tumble into the massive mixing vat. Rich, spicy marinade swirls violently inside the giant blender. Metallic needles pump savory flavors deep into the meat. Incredible spiced flavors are perfectly injected into every drumstick. Massive rotating drums tumble the drumsticks to tenderize them. Vacuum tumblers ensure the marinade coats every single inch. Glossy marinated chicken cascades beautifully onto the clean belt. These giant marination drums work perfectly in synchronized harmony. Ultraviolet light arrays provide absolute sterilization and maximum hygiene.
A thick, savory glaze drips beautifully over the chicken.
The drumsticks dive right into the fresh flour station. Steel augers perfectly fold the seasoned flour over them. Each piece gets entirely buried in soft, seasoned flour. Vibrating belts shake off any excess flour with ease. Mechanical cylinders press the flour firmly onto the skin. A beautiful waterfall of sifted flour streams down constantly. Fine flour particles catch the light in the factory. The drumsticks emerge with a flawless white flour coating. Precision air blowers puff away the loose flour particles. Look closely at that beautifully textured, flaky flour coating.
Next, they pass right through a thick batter waterfall.
The wet batter perfectly wraps around the floured drumstick. Excess wet batter drops cleanly through the wire grate. The battered chicken enters the final crumb coating station. Golden, crispy breadcrumbs rain down onto the battered chicken. The rough breadcrumbs stick perfectly to create a crust.
Rotating drums press the golden crumbs deep into place.
Vibrating belts shake off all the loose golden crumbs. These perfectly breaded drumsticks are ready for the fryer. The breaded drumsticks plunge directly into hot golden oil. Watch the hot oil perfectly fry the crispy coating. This massive industrial fryer cooks thousands of pieces perfectly. A beautiful golden crust quickly forms in the fryer. Intense heat waves rise above the massive frying vat. Mechanical paddles gently guide the chicken through the oil. Look at that flawlessly jagged and crispy golden crust. Powerful glowing heating elements maintain the perfect frying temperature. Freshly fried chicken emerges majestically from the hot oil.
Clean oil drips beautifully off the perfectly crispy chicken.
A mouth-watering river of golden chicken moves right along. Industrial pumps constantly filter the pure amber cooking oil. This massive frying machine dominates the pristine factory floor. Residual oil bubbles pop on the beautifully crispy crust. Intense glowing heat lamps keep the crust shatteringly crisp. A delicious waterfall of dark barbecue sauce drizzles down. Rich barbecue sauce perfectly coats the jagged, crispy crust. A perfectly timed sweet honey glaze cascades right down. These shiny glazed chicken legs look absolutely incredibly appetizing. Precision sprinklers delicately dust sesame seeds over the glaze.
The chicken enters the bright metallic industrial cooling tunnel.
Robotic cameras rigorously inspect the final color and shape. High-speed ventilation fans lock in that delicious crispy glaze.